Hi, and now we are going to discuss about the reviving an art form. My name is Saishri Gadambar. What is communication? The art of conveying a message in an understandable sign. Speaking, writing, dumb signs, etc. are few examples for the communication. And for the larger audience and the longer distance, we communicate through computers, mobile phones, movies, advertisements, social media, websites, etc. So, from where all this has come from? What was there in olden days? So then comes art. There are many different types of art forms. Every art form has its own significance. Technology is blessing for us, but somewhere down the line, this has been one of the major reasons to vanish beautiful art forms. There are few Indian art forms like Kalamkari, Madhubani, Goan painting, Carved painting, Varli, etc. So here comes serial painting. The major motto of all the paintings is to communicate in one or other way. The beautiful art form needs to be revived before it lost forever. This art form belongs to Telangana. The question, why serial paintings? Since I belong to Telangana state, being a localite over here, I chose serial paintings. So, what is the problem and the aim of this project? So, serial painting has a rich storytelling legacy which is dying slowly. So, the aim of the project is to revive this beautiful art form. So here comes the validation. I had an interview with an artistic family, which there are only two families who is working on this art form. So one family is working in Hyderabad and other family who is working in Warangal district, Telangana state. Insights from the interview. Storytelling was completely vanished and there are only two families who is working. So they will be working on paintings like wall paintings, t-shirt paintings, frames and the medal. So the objective is to bring the conscious existence of the serial painting and the vision. The serial painting is a rich storytelling legacy is slowly dying, which has to be appreciated not only by the national level but also the global audience, thus reviving it before it lost forever. So here are the characteristics of the serial paintings. Characterized to be bright colors. Costumes reflects the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh region and rural scenario. Characters are easily identifiable like Krishna, Rama, etc. Prominent characters are usually drawn in larger and rest or in and they depict the different types of festivals which are celebrated in the region. So here are the ideas to revive the art form. The concept 1. Postage stamps. Postage stamps are considered to be the historical objects that deserve to be treasured. But only philatelists will be able to know about it. Not everyone will collect the stamps. So it might not able to reach the larger audience. So coming to the second concept, conducting workshops can reach the larger audience, can introduce new concepts, motivation to work, new opportunities will also raise. But first and foremost, audience need to understand what is the workshop is about. People need to understand what is serial paintings are about. So for that, promotion and branding is required. Workshop sessions may go longer. So here comes the final concept, which is branding. The most important purpose of the branding serves is that it sets a business. If the business sets in a proper manner that scales into one of the increasing demand increases in the market. Promotion of the communication, business is into the inform, reminded people about the products and improve the public images. Branding includes many things like design, logo, trust, strategy, marketing, value, and advertising. Here is the logo study. Here is an iteration process for logo. Here comes the logo of serial paintings. The three different color describes that there are three different communities who work on this painting which claps together, then it forms the serial paintings. The border of the serial paintings is the major significance of the paintings. These are the visiting cards for the serial paintings, and the yellow background it's upon it it's a red motifs are the significance which has given in the paintings. The same theme has followed from the visiting cards for the letterheads also. Mug design, which has the same thing as visiting cards theme, and the price tags of two different colors which again has followed the same theme. These are the paper bags for serial paintings. For all the stationery, research and exploration has been done before the design. So here are the references for the project. Thank you.